This is the login screen of the app. So once I begin, this is the home screen which I see. I can see the appointment request that I'm having, and I can expand my calendar. Then I can see the mode of consultation, and if something is not possible, I can reschedule my appointment along with the reason. So the patient comes to know that okay, when can he or she book the appointment. Then there are some patient screens, so I can click on a patient. I'll get the entire summary of the corresponding chat, which I can use it for before a follow-up consultation with the same patient. And I can also add my own notes to a particular session. Apart from this, patients maintain their own journal, and according to their consent, I am able to see their emotion as well as their journal for each particular date. So once a chat session is over, I am also able to request a follow-up consultation to the patient. Apart from this, many psychologists are coming online for the first time, and therefore we have a reach out feature where they are conducting webinars or workshops. They could just add all the details, and in a single tap all the patients would be alerted. And on the psychologist profile, we are trying to create a digital brand where the psychologists could update their achievements, current events, their bio, and they could even have their social media handles or their own website and a complete branding of their digital clinic, which would actually help empower the psychologist to reach out to more patients and create a digital brand for themselves. All the algorithms are end-to-end secured, and they are encrypted, so even at the back end it is not visible to us. Also, they so let's say I'm chatting real time and I say that I'm not feeling good, things are going wrong, things like that. So the cycle based on the words used by the user, the color of the text box changes so that the psychologist gets to know that what is the feeling of the user. So basically there are 6 different colors for 6 different emotions that the user might be feeling. So if I write that I'm feeling a bit better, then as you can see in the psychologist app, this would actually change the color of the emotion. So let's say I write that I'm feeling good. Yeah, so as you can see it changes to green, and I'm confused, or I don't know what to do.